Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will discuss on the multimodal transportation services, transportation documentation, which are the domestic. This topic is under the global logistics and the warehouse management, and this is the important topic for the multimodal transportation is done where. These shows about all the documents in which case multimodal transport system is used. Multimodal transport system means the two modes of the transport, air and railway, air and the road, railway and the road, railway and the ship. Two modes or more than two modes of the transportation system is used. This is not the multimodal transportation system. What type of the documents are required? This will be discussed here. Documentation plays a vital role in the process of the transport industries from the pickup of the consignment until it reaches in the hands of the consignee. Transport documents are issued by the transport company to the consigner, consignee, driver, or owner of the truck. Reason for the issue of the documents: for accepting the consignment for transportation, CN; for money receipt, bill; for hiring the truck from the market, LSC; for delivery of the goods, POD; for damage of the consignment during the transportation, COF; for payment of the hired lorry, LSC, final payment copy. Some of the important documents are the consignment note. It is filled up by the booking authority at the time of the booking. The consignment note is a document issued to the consignor in evidence that the goods have been received for transportation on specified terms and conditions. Consignment note. Consignment note is prepared in 5 copies. Each copy is distributed as follows: consignor copy, consignee copy, lorry, corporate office, file copy. Types of the consignment note. Number A, carrier risks. Under carrier's risk, the company is fully responsible for any loss of the or damage of the cargo. If such loss or damage is not due to the negligence, yet the company is liable for such damage. The company will settle all claims made by the customer. Owner risk. If cargo is booked under owner risk, the company is not responsible for any damage that may have occurred. Only it is proved that such damage was caused due to the negligence and carelessness, then the company is liable for such damage. Importance of the consignment note. On the basis of the consignment note, challan is prepared. It helps in receiving goods. Delivery of the consignment is given on the basis of the consignee copy of the consignment note. It is helpful of getting insurance claim. It provides information about the freight. Making on consignment is done on the basis of information given in the consignment note. Good forwarding note. Document is filled by the consignor at the time of the booking. Once this note is signed by the owner of the goods or his agent, it becomes a contract, and both parties, a consignor and transporter, are bound by such contract. It is a legal document and can be present in court of the evidence. It is an offer for consignor for carrying his goods. In this document, all the particulars relating to his consignment, such as the value and nature of goods, etc., are given. On the basis of the goods forwarding the note consignment, note is prepared. Lorry hire contract. When a truck is hired from the market for transportation of goods, an agreement is entered into with the owner or driver of the truck. This agreement is called lorry hire contract. First copy used as voucher for payment of the advance lorry at the originating station. Second copy handed over the driver of the truck to take along with him to the destination. Third copy, it is sent to the destination by post or email. Fourth copy, a file copy for originating station. Advantages of the LSC: helpful in the rate computation, assist in ascertaining the profit and loss for a particular truck. It can be produced in court in case of the dispute between the driver and the company. Provides information about the driver, owner name, broker, rate, advance amount. Provides information about the vehicle, IRC number, fitness certificate, and permits. Provide information about the insurance. The trip contract sheet. This document is prepared for the movement of the cargo through company one vehicle and used for accounting of expenses incurred such as diesel, unloading, etc., inclusive of incentive paid to the driver. When a truck operates on route, all truck operation activity are accurately logged on trip contract sheets, etc. Importance of the TCS. Truck route details. Truck operating expenses in respect of the diesel filling cost, route expenses, in route expenses, cargo loading, unloading details, freight probability report, and the performance detail. Route permit. It is document issued by the state authority. It is a kind of permission to operate the truck as per the statutory regulation. Three kinds of the route permit. Temporary permit issued for a specific destination for a fixed duration only from the state authority. Pakka permit issued for trip with home state. National permit issued by state transport authority for 3 states other than home state. Truck registration. According to the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, no vehicle can be driven unless it is registered and the registration mark is displayed in the prescribed manner. The vehicle may get registered by the registering authority in the state in which the owner has the residence or business where the vehicle is kept for this purpose. RC issued is valid throughout India. Issued for 15 years and subsequently renewed for a period of the 5 years. And these are the documents used for the domestic purposes. These are the documents that is used for the domestic purposes, which have been shown here. Reasons for the documents are shown there. Consignment note is shown here. 5 copies of the consignment note is to be made. Types of the consignment note. Carrier risk, owner risk, importance of the consignment note is shown here. Goods forwarding note. Lorry hire contract. This is shown here. Advantage of the lorry hire contract have been shown there. Trip contract sheet that have been shown there. Importance of the trip contract sheet that have been shown here. Route permit have been shown here. Truck registration have been shown there. Truck registration have been shown there. So this is the multimodal transport service transport document, domestic.